the financial market is crashing, the world economy is breaking down, but one of the powerful things and amazing thing is that there are still opportunities that you can leverage on right now. Even if you don't have a family member to support you, you don't have someone to give you startup capital to build the business of your dream, especially in this economic crisis period, there are actually business models you could leverage on to raise up startup capital for yourself. And those business models are called the business connection model, where you have to connect a buyer to a seller and then take the money in between. It could be the commission or the difference of the pricing. And this business model will not require you to invest in the product itself. So you don't have any money to invest in any product, you don't bring in any money in the whole process, you just make money off the whole process. But one of the ones that is outstanding that a lot of young people across the world right now is leveraging on to make a lot of money for themselves is called affiliate marketing. And I've done it myself. I've also built a platform that gives you free access, 100% free access to start up your own affiliate marketing journey right now without paying any registration fee, anything at all. And I want to show you how young people are using it to make $3,000 because on the platform, you get paid in dollars and we help you deliver that money straight to your local bank accounts, no matter the country you're in, whether you're in Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, Kenya, and whichever other country. And I want to teach you how this whole process works in the next video that I have on my website. So I want to click the link right now. I have this video, just a few minutes video, and I'm not sure it's going to stay up there for a long time. I'm going to show you extensively. I've done it for myself. It has helped me. It has helped a lot of students, and it's time for me to show you how you can be able to start up this business yourself with our free-to-use platform and transform your life, raise a lot of capital for yourself, and build the business of your dream. Click the link around this video in my bio or in the description, depending on where you're watching this video, and jump and watch this free training that will help you get started. My goal is to help you in the next coming year to transform your financial life. Even if it's what you're going to benefit today, I want to benefit that. Let it transform your life. Click the link below, and I want to see you in the video.